Welcome, today you've heard of me, Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll here to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on silent mode, click once on the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher again. Also, we can set up here the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on, set a schedule, and change more don't disturb mode settings. Also, we get here the volume panels, the media, ringtone notifications, and alarm volume panel. As can you see, we can change them just by swipe the dots to the left or to the right side with the fingers. Here also we got the ringtone and notification sounds. We can change them just by select the all the available sounds here. Also, we can activate or turn off the vibration on ring, on silent mode. Here we got the haptic and tones. We can enable or disable the vibration on touch. We can activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, the screenshot sound, deletion sound, animation, fingerprint animation sound, and touch sounds of our device. So we can just turn them on and turn them off just by click once on each of the switchers here. And also we got here the real sound technology. We can change it from the smart to movie, game, and music here. And into the advanced settings we got the volume button function here. So now we just selected the media volume, so by using the volume buttons we'll switch the medias, but you can change it also to the ringtone volume if you want. And also here we got the default recorder. We can switch it from auto select to that on. And in-ear monitoring we can activate and turn off to keep in-ear monitoring as same as the recordings here. So that's it. That all of the sound settings and vibration settings on our Oppo Reno 7. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.